welcome to Morris Money Live, where we review the week. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Wally started off the week with the final episode of Wally's Stock Picks. He touched on AHT, GMBL, FAT, PLBY, IFAN, FBCD, and NSPT. How did they perform? AHT was the winner of the week, up 42%, while FBCD was the loser of the week, down 28%. Next, I talked about UWMC 2 weeks after making our series of videos on them. Is the stock still a buy? Good evening. Welcome to the Morris Money Late Show, where we give you stock tips in under 2 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. A couple of weeks ago, we made a few videos and articles, which you can find on the 12 Morris Willie website, 12morriswillie.com, on UWMC, UWM Holdings Corporation. Should you have invested in UWMC? Going off of the price increase, yes, with a 6% price increase from May 28th, 2021, we still think that there's still potential and that it's still undervalued. In 2020, UWM Corporation had a 34% market share of wholesale mortgages. By 2025, they predict that they will have an increase to a 50% share of the market. This could be a solid company, but we think that the company needs to surpass their pre-SPAC merger price. I'm disappointed to say, but we didn't invest in UWMC. If UWM Holdings went below $8, we were going to take a position. But as we say, don't force a position. UWMC is still a good deal, but we don't plan on buying unless a great deal comes along. Wednesday, the final Willie short aired. You can now find 12 Morris Willie cartoons and films on 12 Morris Willie Film. But for now, we can enjoy stock picking from the Simply Living series. Ray, what do you think of CC, Circuit City? Good point. I never got my VHS from them. Okay, what about Toys R Us, TOY? Okay. Maybe some industrials, okay? I can talk about the Baltimore, Ohio Railroad Company. Look, Ray, I have to find something to talk about. Lehman Brothers. Lehman Brothers it is. Yesterday, we touched on ILUS, a micro-cap company with great upside potential. Good evening. Welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 2 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. We don't always give out high speculation plays, but the next couple of videos will include them. Today, we're talking about Illustrator Pictures International Incorporated, ticker symbol ILUS. The company is primarily focused, but not limited to, acquiring businesses in the technology, engineering, and manufacturing space globally. Now, the crazy part, the company's market cap is $710,000 at the time of this recording, not million, thousand. The company is down 30% in the past 5 days, 43% in the last month, but is up 2,300% in the last 6 months. Should you buy ILUS? Yes. ILUS is looking to acquire companies who have strong management and potential to grow rapidly and will benefit from cross-pollination of territories, products, and skills from other companies. As with these stocks, there's always major risks, though we see that there could be great potential. Listed under Pink Limited Information, ILUS hasn't given adequate information in the past 6 months. That brings me to worry, but doesn't scare me off. The company has 2 billion authorized shares with 1.2 billion in outstanding shares and 342 million in float. A great sign that people are buying, and as of now, you shouldn't have to worry about dilution. Now, the $1,000,000 question, should you take a position in ILUS? I think it's worth a shot. This merely a holdings company with a micro market capitalization. If the company keeps acquiring, gets a ticker change, and even a reverse stock split, it could eventually uplist. We could potentially have a great company on our hands. This is all theoretical, but a company that's acquiring businesses in the technology, engineering, and manufacturing space could be a winner a couple years down the line. Finally, we had breaking news about Sensionics regarding their 180-day sensor. This is Morris Money breaking news. Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 2 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. We have great news from a Morris Money mainstay, Sensionics. Today, after the closing bell, Sensionics announced the 180-day continuous glucose monitor has MARD ranking of 9.1% for the primary sensor over 89,000 paired points and 8.5% for the SBA sensor over 12,000 paired points. This is great news. You want to have a merit percentage under 10%, specifically between 8 and 12%. The stock is up 37% in after hours at the time of this recording. We could see a momentum rally going into the weekend, which we might sell a bit. After things cool down, Sensionics could settle in the $3 range until we get more news. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching the first of many to come episodes of Morris Money Live.